crossword game based on the concept of resource management skills. So I will explain what is crossword game and how to play this game. A crossword is a word puzzle that usually takes the form of a square and blanks into which words crossing vertically and horizontally are written according to clues. The goal is to form word or phrase by sentence by solving clues which lead to the answers, and so for this topic we prepare 10 questions.
In our report, first, we must have objective or learning outcomes. We create the crossword game as a simulation game based on the concept of the resource management skill that we learn about while studying the subject of entrepreneurial behavior. The crossword game simulation activity is not too difficult for students if they have mastered the concept and understanding in that field. We gain 3 objectives for this simulation activity that are continuously appropriate. First, our objective is to evaluate comprehension of the concept of resource management skill in the entrepreneurial behavior. Second, to maximize profitability for project based on good resource management plan. Third, to encourage participants to do crossword puzzle instead of reading about the topic. For class size, in our report, we provided the figure of our simulation activity. Next, we have class or training layout. In our report, class or training layout, we have WhatsApp application. In a group chat, we use the WhatsApp app to interact and share thoughts about the simulation activity. We also use video call to discuss about report. Second, we have Google Meet. We discuss about how to use the topic in crossword puzzle and create question. For time duration, our group discussion is required for 1 week in WhatsApp group chat. Less than 60 seconds each question is allowed for doing the quiz and applying the answer to crossword puzzle, for a total of 1 hour, 9 minutes and 10 seconds. For procedures or steps to conduct the simulation. On 7 April 2022, our lecturer gave a group assignment on the eCampus. Then, on 14 April 2022, our lecturer presented an explanation and briefing on group assignment in Microsoft Teams. Following that, we held a group chat on WhatsApp to review the simulation report and decide on a platform for our simulation activity. The simulation activity was carried out by our group using crossword puzzles as a platform. Crossword puzzle is a game-based learning platform that enables users to quickly create, share, and playing learning games and trivia quiz. The simulation took place on 17 May 2022. Two of our group members prepared the question for the simulate activity. The questions were 8 in a number and were based on the theme of the resources management skill in entrepreneurial behavior program. After that, each member of the group have to participate in the exercise and complete the question. Each question must be answered in less than 60 seconds and each correct answer will earn a mark.
Figure 2 shows the percentage of questions 1 to 5 who answered the questions correctly by participants. Question 1 shows 30% of person that answer correctly, and for question 2 shows 25% who answered correctly, while question 3 and question 4 shows 15% and 12% answered correctly, and question 5 shows 19% of participants answered correctly. Meanwhile, figure 3 shows that the percentage of questions 6 to 10 who answered the questions correctly by participants. Question 6 shows that 17% who answered the question correctly, and question 7 is 14%. Question 8 is 21% of participants answered it correctly, while question 9 and 10 is same, which is 24% of participants answer it correctly.
As we can see in table 1, show that question 1 is easier than 10 of it and the rate is 30%, where the highest number in this percentage of answer correctly. The second highest is question 2, which is 25% of answer correctly, while in question 9 and 10 have a same percentage, which is 24, is the third place of highest answer correctly, and the last highest into something is question 8, which is 21% of participants answer correctly.
congratulations and celebration when I tell everyone